Today we'll revisit the story of life in the wild, full of challenges and mysteries. But this isn't a fairy tale. It's the true story of a white stork and its chicks in the nest. Among the silent marshes, atop towering trees, a stork builds its nest. Graceful, serene, and majestic. But beneath that beauty hides a shocking reality. A mother stork stands on her nest. Below her, her chicks are just beginning their lives. Their eyes aren't fully open. Their wings haven't yet flapped against the beautiful sky. But only one or two of them will survive. Every day, the mother stork brings food from afar, fish, frogs, and aquatic insects. But not all chicks get a share. The strongest, fastest, and most aggressive, they get the lion's share. The weakest chick, left behind, starving, exhausted, and one day, pushed out of the nest, falling never to return. Why? Why would a mother abandon her own chick? It's not hatred, it's natural selection. In the stork world, resources are limited. A nest can only hold one or two healthy chicks. If all the chicks were fed without selection, none would grow strong enough to survive. So, the mother stork does something cruel for the sake of kindness. This phenomenon is called natural selection. It's an evolutionary strategy, nature's harsh way of ensuring only the strongest survive. However, not all stork species do this. Under ideal conditions, when food is abundant, all the chicks survive. But during droughts, when marshes shrink and fish are scarce, one by one, the chicks disappear. The survivors will grow, becoming part of a flock of storks that will migrate across the continent, carrying the same heritage and perhaps repeating the cycle again someday. This is a harsh life story. In the wild, love and cruelty can coexist. Storks are not loveless creatures. They are simply creatures subject to the laws of nature. From the sky, storks appear as symbols of freedom. But those who have seen the contents of their nests know that freedom is no gift. It is the result of a life and death struggle from day one. In biology, the behavior of killing siblings is known as siblicide. But sometimes the mother herself intervenes. What's the reason? Is it cruelty? No. It's all closely related to the survival of the species itself. Storks live in a harsh environment. Food is limited, and the threat of predators is always looming. If a mother knows she can't raise all her chicks, she'll choose one or two of the strongest to survive. The rest, they'll be left to die, or even killed. This tragic act is called brood reduction, and it's not uncommon in the animal kingdom. There are several main reasons why storks kill their young. Lack of food, defective or weak young, stress or environmental disturbances, natural behavior to increase the chances of reproductive success. This is cruel from a human perspective, but from an evolutionary perspective, it's a survival strategy. Storks aren't the only ones. Eagles, birds of prey, and even lionesses do the same. In many cases, killing or allowing young to die is a long-term investment of energy, so that the remaining offspring can grow to their full potential and continue the lineage. Interestingly, in Japanese and Chinese cultures, cranes are symbolized as longevity and fidelity. But in nature, they represent the darker side of parental love, one that isn't always compassionate, but rather evolutionary in nature. Perhaps there's a lesson here, that nature operates not with emotion, but with the harsh logic of survival. The stork isn't evil, it's simply subject to the laws of nature. In a world where only the strongest survive, sometimes love means letting go, even ending it. This is a true story that may be uncomfortable for us to accept, but it's the truth, because in the wild, there's no room for weakness.